Welcome to Principles of Accounting. Uses of accounting information. We're going to look at the uses of accounting information. The accounting process provides financial data for a broad range of individuals whose objectives in studying the data vary widely. Three primary uses of accounting information were previously identified: internal users, external users, and government uses, the IRS. Each group uses accounting information differently and requires the information to be presented differently. Internal users. Accounting supplies managers and owners with significant financial data that is useful for decision making. This type of accounting is generally referred to as managerial accounting. Some of the ways internal users employ accounting information include the following: assessing how management has discharged its responsibilities for protecting and managing the company's resources, shaping decisions about when to borrow or invest company resources, shaping decisions about expansion or downsizing. External users typically called financial accounting. The record of a business financial history for use by external entities is used for many purposes. The external uses of accounting information fall into 6 groups. Each has different interests in the company and wants answers to unique questions. The groups and some of their possible questions are: owners and prospective owners. Has the company earned satisfactory income on its total investment? Should an investment be made in this company? Should the present investment be increased, decreased, or retained at the same level? Can the company install costly pollution control equipment and still be profitable? Creditors and lenders. Should a loan be granted to the company? Will the company be able to pay its debts as they become due? Employees and their unions. Does the company have ability to pay increased wages? Is the company financially able to provide long-term employment for its workforce? Customers. Does the company offer useful products at fair prices? Will the company survive long enough to honor its product warranties? Governmental units. Is the company, such as a local public utility, charging a fair rate for its services? General public. Is the company provide useful products and gainful employment for citizens without causing serious environmental problems? Some of the words external users employ accounting information include the following: stakeholders have the right to know how a company is managing its investments. Federal and state governments require tax returns and other documents often prepared by accountants. Banks or lending institutions may use accounting information to guide decisions such as whether to lend or how much to lend a business. Investors will also use accounting information to guide investment decisions. General purpose financial statements provide much of information needed by external users of financial accounting. These financial statements are formal reports providing information on a company's financial position, cash inflows and outflows, and the results of operations. Many companies publish these statements in annual reports, also known as a 10K or a 10Q. quarterly report. The annual report contains the independent auditor's opinion as to the fairness of the financial statements, as well as information about the company's activities, products, and plans. Typically, the best place to find these reports for a public company can be on their website under the Investors Relations section. Financial statements used by external entities are prepared using general accepted accounting principles called GAAP. We will discuss the language of GAAP further in later sections. Government ARS. Government agencies that track and use tax are interested in the financial story of a business. They want to know whether the business is paying taxes according to the current tax laws. The language in which tax-related financial statements are prepared is called IRC, or Internal Revenue Code. Tax preparation will be outside the scope of this course. We're going to look at the most important point to remember. Internal users are people within a business organization who use financial information. For example, internal users are owners, managers, and employees. External users are people outside the business entity organization who use accounting information. For example, external users are suppliers, banks, customers, investors, potential investors, and tax authorities.